it's holiday season and let's not forget na ang pinaka-importanteng sineselebrate natin is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Kaya naman today, let's cook birthday noodles! So, ang dali-dali lang gawin nito. And of course, I'm going to use my favorite ingredients, Good Life egg noodles and Good Life oyster sauce. Mamaya, maglalagay pa tayo ng sesame oil. But before that, maggisa-gisa muna tayo. Into my wok, I'm going to put cooking oil. And the usual, maggisa ka lang ng bawang and sibuyas. So, I put my minced garlic until light brown. Buksan natin ang exhaust para hindi tayo mangamoy gisa-gisa. Sliced onions. And then I put my pork. This is just pork loin. If you want to use chicken, go. Pwede din namang meatless. You can just use tofu. Just to make sure na flavorful ang aking pansit. Let's season the gisado with salt. And then together with the pork, I'm going to put my mushrooms. This is dried shiitake mushrooms that I've soaked in water. Yung tubig, wag mong itapon. You put your oyster sauce. Black pepper. Oops, sorry. Brown sugar. Ilalagay ko na din yung pinagbabara ng mushrooms. Kasi malasa yan. So, papalambutin natin ng konti yung karne. Ang bilis lang yan, 5 minutes. I have here my water as well. Pakuluin mo lang yan para mas mabilis. Takpan natin bago natin ibuhos ang iba pang mga ingredients. Okay, so kumukulo na. Titikman ko yung sabaw. Kailangan flavorful, ha? Kasi ito yung sisip-sipin ng iyong pansit. A little bit more of oyster sauce. Alam mo naman yung a little bit ko, di ba? Hindi ako nagtitipid. Perfect. And now, I'm going to put my kikiam. This is just the ordinary kikiam. Totally optional. Pwede mong lagyan, pwede mong hindi lagyan. And squid balls. I love squid balls in my pansit. And this is just my carrots. Now we just cut into thick strips, batonet. Let's simmer this for around 2 minutes bago natin ilagay itong hipon. And I'm also going to put some slurry and ibuhos na natin yung ating egg noodles and the other vegetables. So tatakpan ko para lumambot yung carrots ng konti. Alright, ilalagay ko na ayan, facial galore. Lagay na natin yung ating hipon. Buhos mo na dyan. And then, lalagyan ko lang ng slurry. I'm going to show you a very quick technique. I'm going to put the slurry kasi magse-save ako ng konting sauce para pambuhos natin mamaya dun sa ibabaw ng noodles. Just a bit of slurry. Para festive na festive. Okay? So, yan. Pagpapakuluin mo lang yan until lumapot ulit. And ready na yung mga toppings natin. Meron na din ako dito nung colorful, ano nga tawag dito? Kwek-kwek, buttered eggs. Niluto natin kanina yan. Of course, hindi kumpleto ang birthday noodles kung wala yung battered eggs, yung kulay orange. Diba? Taas ang kamay ng mga guilting kagaya ko na una nating tinutusok yon at pinapapak. So let's cook that. It's very easy. Let's start with the batter. I have here all-purpose flour. Just combine everything in your mixing bowl. This is just salt, a little bit of sugar for that linamnam, black pepper, and water. You just put the water gradually. Okay, that's it. And then, lalagyan din natin to ng food color. So, tansyahin mo muna yung thickness nung... Ayan, pwede ka pa magdagdag ng konting tubig if it's too thick. A little bit more of water, please. Kailangan lang siya is parang crepe consistency. Not too thin, not too thick. Just enough to coat the eggs. Pinapasosyal ko pa, no? Parang kwek-kwek. O, yun na yun. Kwek-kwek. And then, some orange food color. Tansyahin mo din, but it has to be bright orange. Okay, looks good. Dadagdagan ko pa ng konti. Always remember that na when you are using food color, whether ang kinukulayan mo is butter, your cakes, your icing, basta na initan yung kinulayan mo, medyo magbabago pa po yung kulay niyan. So, kailangan medyo advance ka ng konti. And then, I have here quail eggs that we've boiled. Lalagay ko lang yan dito sa bowl. And then, I put some flour. I coat it with some flour. And then, kanto style. Yan, ihulog mo yan dyan. Isa-isa. And then, prito natin in the hot oil. Well, if you don't like food color, you can always put atsuete powder, but no assurance na maa-achieve mo yung ganitong ka-orange. Minsan lang naman, kung kada birthday lang or pag Christmas ka magluluto nito, push mo na. So, magtatabi lang ako ng konti nitong sauce natin. Kasi mamaya, mapapansin mo, ang mga pansit kasi ganun, di ba? Nagda-dry. Para meron ka pang pambuhos sa ibabaw. Actually, pwede mo na nga ipang ulam tong tinabi mong to eh. And now, I'm going to put my favorite Good Life Egg Noodles. This is 400 grams. Good Life Egg Noodles is a nutritious alternative than your regular dry pancit canton because this is made with real eggs. And steamed po ito ha, not fried. So ayan, ilagay na natin. It cooks in just 5 minutes. So tinitingnan ko yung orasan doon. Perfect na perfect to for your mga dry na putahe and even for may sabaw. Ginamit na natin to for our mommy before. Ayan, i-ano mo lang na ganyan. Actually, isasabay ko na din dito yung aking mga green vegetables. Kalahati mo na ilalagay ko. I also have here bok choy. Pwede mo din lagyan ng bok choy yan para mas bongga ang birthday noodles. Pantay ang luto. Itos-tos. And then, ilalagay ko na lahat to ha. Ito kasi kinakain naman kahit ganyan lang para hindi malabo. And then the eggs, ilalagay natin yan sa ibabaw. Okay? O, di ba? Look how bongga our birthday noodles. I-plate na natin to sa ating bandehado. And kumain na tayo. Meron pa akong natira ditong for garnish. Pwede naman. So, papatayin ko na yung apoy nitong birthday noodles para hindi ko siya ma-overcook, especially the kagulayan. And you see, there's excess sauce, but hihigupin po yan ng ating pansit. Kaya mamaya magbubuhos pa tayo sa ibabaw ng additional. This one, i-cut lang natin siya into chunks na ganon para mas colorful. And let's get some sesame oil, please. Magbuhos tayo ng sesame oil. My favorite, sesame oil. Diba? Favorite akong i-bash dyan sa sesame oil na sasabihin ko just a bit pero ang dami ko daw binubuhos. And I love it. Patay na po yung apoy niyan ha para yung vegetables natin ay crisp. Okay. And let's put sesame oil. Okay. Isn't that bongga? It is. Now, kukuha na ako ng bandehado, i-plate natin. Okay. Marami pong magagawa ito. So, kung may papiging ka sa Pasko, sa bagong taon, syempre, dapat, di ba, may noodles. Kasi nga, birthday ni Jesus Christ yon. At saka, pampalong life nating lahat, di ba? Bountiful. Kaya kailangan colorful. And of course, good life. For good life, di ba? Teka, dagdagan pa natin. Para mas bongga. Okay. And, bubuhusan ko ng extra sauce yan. Pupunasan ko muna yung gilid. Kasi, especially dito sa bahay namin, ang gusto namin sa pansit is yung talagang mabasa-basa. May tawag dun nakalimutan ko yung tawag. Pag pumunta ka sa pansiteria, pag nasa Binondo ka, there's a term that they use pagka ganong basa-basa yung pansit. Yung nakikita mo yung liquid, yung sabaw. That's how moist. And then of course, kung panglagay mo yan sa dining table mo, lagyan mo ng hipon. Ayan. And some greens. Very important para talagang shows the harvest. And of course, let's not forget our favorite, this one. Okay, now our favorite part. Let's try the birthday noodles. Siyempre, uunahin ko sarili ko dahil mauuna ako mag-birthday. Ayan, oh my gosh. Ayan o, sinasabi ko sa inyo, ina-absorb talaga niya yung sauce. So, ito yung noodles na pag tumagal-tagal, ay nako, sumasarap lalo. I'll use a spoon kasi gusto ko yung sauce ay kuhang-kuha ko. Oh my God. So good. Teka. Ito. Gusto ko madami nitong kwek-kwek. Nako. Huwag mo nang hintayin ang birthday mo or ang special occasions. Gumawa ka na because it's super duper duper good. I'm going to see you all soon.